Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to disassemble and clean the mixing bowl on your Thermomix TM6. Okay, let's remove the mixing bowl from the base. Now I'll take the lid off and the measuring cup, of course. Now let's get to the actual mixing bowl. On the inside it has blades that should be taken out. In order to take it out in this orientation with your with the bottom facing down, because if you do it upside down, the blades will fall out and they can break. So with this orientation, with the standard orientation, take the bottom and twist it clockwise. Yeah, it is clockwise. Now try removing it gently, and then from the top you can try removing the blades. Now the whole mixing bowl is disassembled. There's no more disassembling here. These are the whole parts that should be cleaned in that way. So yeah, you can put all both of these parts in the dishwasher. This one doesn't really have to be cleaned. I'm not sure yet if it's dishwasher safe. I'll look it up and tell you in another video. But yeah, these parts are definitely dishwasher safe. And yeah, you can put them in dishwasher or clean them yourself. Then to assemble it, you just need to put the blade through the top, just so it is there, and then take that bottom. You can place it on a table or something like that. You see, I recommend starting with like a 90-degree angle and then slowly rotating until it jumps in. Then you can just slide it, and there it is. Now you can put it back in your base. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.